Hello everyone, today's video tutorial is going to be about how to download and install and use another crypto wallet called Rabbit Wallet, iOS version of Mrs. Browser. And click right now on the Android version is one of the most popular right now, so let's go. Let's search the name of Rabbit Wallet in this Mrs. search bar, and then we can download the CRX format of extension very easily to your iPhone. And right now, let's open wallet settings to install it to your mobile phone. Now, all set, let's enter Rabbit Wallet right now. Right now, let's click Create New Seed Phrase. Or if you already got one, you can import the seed recovery phrase from your existing wallet. And right now, let's set the password and confirm your password. Set. Please copy or write down your seed recovery phrase and keep it safe, because this is the only way for you to recover your wallet. And it will also offer you some selections of your EVM address. You can choose whichever you want, or just all of them. And right now, you can check all of those are your wallet address. You can use them to swap tokens like this. And this is a list of the networks supported in the Rabbit Swap. Also, you can send funds or receive funds from those blockchains as well. One of the other interesting features is this one, called Rabbit Points. It's the incentive program of Rabbit Wallet. You need to verify your address, which means you need to sign in with your Rabbit Wallet. Then you can participate in the points program. Okay, everyone. So this is the video tutorial of Rabbit Wallet. Hope you enjoy it and enjoy your Web3 journey anytime and anywhere on iOS version of Mrs.